someone is having this movement. This is coming under the bind. Someone is having this movement. This is coming under the bind. So any improper movement, that is called dystonia. Okay. So when you will be looking some medical report, there might be written dystonia. So you should understand that we are talking about bind. हम bind की बात कर रहे हैं, right? That is the bind inner. So when we talk about the bind energies in the 6 energy concepts, जब हम 6 energy concepts में bind की बात करते हैं, so this is dystonia. Number 2, we can consider instability. Instability. So anything who is stable, that can be considered as a humidity or the dryness, whatever. But anything which is unstable, that can be considered as a bind. For example, you are standing on the floor, आप एक धरती पर जमीन पर खड़े हैं, लेकिन बार बार अपना posture बदल रहे हैं, that is bind. Suppose you are sitting on the chair, but you are doing like this. कई बार हम अपना पेन लेके ऐसे करते रहते हैं ना, बार बार करते हैं. So you are sitting on the chair and you are having pen in your hand and just continuously are doing like this. It means your brain is hyperactive and there is an excessive bind. Have you seen someone is doing like this? कई लोग ऐसे करते हैं ना. Or you are just sitting but your leg is moving like this. Sometimes we just keep one leg over the other leg and keep on moving the leg. हम धीरे धीरे अपना पैर हिलाते रहते हैं ना. अभी भी शायद आप में से कोई पैर हिला रहा है ना, पैर हिलाते हैं. तो ये सब बिंड है. तो अगर कभी आप सपोज समवन, आपने देखा होगा व्हेन वी आर इन द क्लासरूम, तो टीचर कहते हैं मत करो ऐसा. व्हाई? बिकॉज बिंड मीन्स यू आर नॉट फोकस्ड. सपोज आई एम नॉट फोकस्ड. इफ आई एम फोकस्ड, मीन्स फोकस कम फ्रॉम ह्यूमिडिटी. ह्यूमिडिटी मीन्स गैदरिंग. जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आता है वो ह्यूमिडिटी से आता है. लेकिन बिंड क्या करता है कि बिंड मेक चंचल. बिंड मेक योर माइंड अनस्टेबल. तो जैसे माइंड होता है वैसे बॉडी में भी इफेक्ट आ जाता है. either you will move your leg or you will move your like this, or you will be doing like this, like this, like this. You will keep on doing something. Like we have seen the kids when they are sitting in the classroom, they are very highly unstable. So in this way, बिंड मीन्स इनस्टेबिलिटी. बिंड को हम कहते हैं कि बिंड का मतलब है इनस्टेबिलिटी. बिंड मीन्स एनी इम्प्रॉपर मूवमेंट. किसी भी प्रकार की जो मूवमेंट डिसऑर्डर होती है, मेडिकल टर्मिनोलॉजी में इसे कई अलग अलग नामों से बोला जाता है. आई विल गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल, दैट इज कॉल्ड, if have you seen the hyperactive kids? Have you seen the hyperactive kids? So hyperactive kids, we are telling it wind. हम इसे wind कहते हैं. Wind cannot be exactly tell vata. Definitely vata and wind is having similarity. Vata और wind में similarity है, but when we talk about the Ayurveda, there is a little different concept. In the Ayurveda, what we're telling, so this is the wood element, this is the fire element, with the earth, metal and water. So in the Ayurveda, we are telling the combination of wood and metal is vata. Is vata. Or we are telling the meaning of vata means vayu plus akash, air. right? So just wind cannot be considered as a vata, but wind is also the part of vata. Wind भी हमारे vata का part है. So there is a term that is called hyperkinesia. Hyperkinesia का मतलब है कि excessive restlessness. देखो hyper means we know more. Kinesia means kinetic speed. ये सारे वर्ड कई बार हमें अलग अलग जगह लिखे मिलते हैं. So we should understand the meaning of this, that कभी कभी हमने देखा है कि हमारी बॉडी के किसी पार्ट में ट्विचिंग होती है लाइक दिस. व्हाट इज दैट? विंड. कभी आपने देखो कोई आंख को फ्लिकर करता है, दैट इज विंड, राइट? लाइक आई मेट विद वन पर्सन who was just 2 days back were taking the lecture. While taking the lecture, he was keep on doing like this. So why it's happening? ऐसा क्यों होता है? When the rising of wind energies. Definitely in the Ayurveda we will tell there's a rising of the Vata energies. Then I asked the person, since how long you are suffering with this problem? Then after doing some discussion, then diagnosis, I found, we know sometimes we are suffering with some deficiency, like deficiency of the blood or the deficiency of the yin. कभी कभी हमारे शरीर में कमजोरी होती है. क्या कमजोरी होती है? या तो yin कमजोर हो जाता है या फिर ब्लड कम हो जाता है. जैसे फीमेल्स में ब्लड कम हो जाता है कई बार. तो I have given this example many times. Take a 1 glass water. If you empty half, एक गिलास पानी लेके आधा खाली कर दो, तो आधे खाली वाले स्थान में वायु होती है, विंड होती है. So the more wind is rising, then the flickering will start. तो जब ज्यादा वायु बढ़ जाती है तो आंख में फ्लिकरिंग होना, चेहरे पर फ्लिकरिंग होना, ये लक्षण पैदा होते हैं. So any type of the hyperactivity which can be considered as a wind energies. So I told you, you will see many words like we can tell hyperactivity is the wind energy, hyperactive kids we can keep under the wind energies, like high movement of the muscle, high movement of muscle we can keep in the wind energies, uncontrolled movement of muscle also we can keep in the wind energies. So in this way, any type of the excessive, abnormal, increased movement we can keep in the wind energy, right? So when there is a word hyperkinesis is written, hyperkinesis. The meaning of hyperkinesis, like the hyperactive kid, or the meaning of hyperkinesis means uncontrolled, excessive muscle movement. इसका मतलब है hyperkinesis, right? तो ये सारे हमारे wind energies में आते हैं. It is clear? So here I will write here the meaning of wind energies means hyperactivity, hyperkinesis, hyper muscle movement. Okay. Parkinson, or we are telling it dystonia, or many other diseases. I told you wherever we can see the uncontrolled movement instability. Okay, so these are coming under the wind energy. Now, for example, there is one person having flickering on the face, maybe on the right side. एक व्यक्ति को चेहरे के राइट साइड में फ्लिकरिंग, लेट्स टेक द entire right side. So we'll do the classification. हम इसका क्लासिफिकेशन करते हैं. So we're dividing the body from the center. Right. Now we are telling it bend, heat, hotness. So we know the yang is on the left side. Then humidity, dryness, humidity, dryness, and the coldness. So we want to treat the right side. So we'll choose the humidity. So we know humidity, dryness, and coolness, the three energy we have taken on the right side. We have taken on the right side. So first we will take humidity. सबसे पहले हमने humidity को लिया. Now, as we are taking the humidity, we are reaching on the right side of the face. Now there is a flickering. अब वहां पर क्या हो रहा है? Flickering हो रही है. Flickering is happening in the nerves that we know. Flickering nerves के प्रभाव से होती है. So we'll do the treatment of the nervous system. हम nervous system पर treatment करेंगे. And as per our classification yesterday, we have discussed. Wind means muscular system. Heat means circulatory system. Hotness means nervous system. Humidity means digestive system. Dryness means skin system. And coldness means bone system. Here we'll do the treatment of the hotness. Right.